Virginia, here we come.
Flight 6286.
Feeling pretty good, man. 18s, 500 coming up at 2:30. Just going out here and do the best I can. I know what I gotta do. I know what I gotta do to execute. Just go out there on the track and do it, man. I'm blessed to be here. I'm blessed to lace up. I'm blessed to step on the track one more time. You know I'm gonna do it. Come on now.
The meet didn't go as we expected it to go, to say the least. It was a tough race. I have two sayings. At the end of the day is gonna end, and something's gotta be sweet.